When is the best time to upload video on YouTube? This is one of the frequently asked questions from new YouTubers, and the question is a bit tricky, but the answer is quite easy. Sometimes the best way to get an accurate answer is to go to the source itself, which in this case is YouTube. So let's hear what YouTube says about this. So to know this, you need to go to YouTube Studio, open YouTube Studio, tap the analytics icon, and from there you're going to see this audience tab. So click on it, and this brings out this chart which shows when your audience are mostly active in the last 28 days. Below this chart, YouTube says publish time is not known to directly affect the long-term performance of a video, which means if you upload at the time your viewers are mostly active, you will get the views definitely, but that does not guarantee or determine the performance of the video in the long run. With this, we can ask ourselves, does timing really matter? Actually, it does. This does not negate the fact that timing actually matters when you want to upload, because you can use it to determine when to schedule a premiere or plan your next live stream according to YouTube. And of course, if it doesn't, YouTube is not going to provide us with a chart like this. Now, speaking of this chart, for me, most of my viewers are active around 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. And from 10 p.m. to like 9 a.m. in the morning, they are not active. That is because they are definitely sleeping. So if I want to upload a video, I'll make sure I post my video around the time they are mostly active. Now to do that, you can start from this line where we have the brightest colors. Deeper lines indicate that your viewers are mostly active on these days. These lighter lines are like few of your viewers are online by this time, but the deeper lines indicate that very many of your viewers are online at this time. On days like Mondays, Sundays, Wednesdays, they are really active on these days, and I can just decide to post video on one of these days because I know definitely I'm going to get the views that I really want. For established YouTubers with loyal audience, they can actually have specific upload time, like a consistent day and time, which prepares their audience to actually check out their videos. Even if they do not get notified that you have a new video, they're definitely going to come to your page because they know that every Wednesday at 4 p.m. you upload a new video. So timing really does matter as a YouTuber, and you just need to learn and understand your analytics just so you can know the right time to post for your audience. And that is that about that. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also check out my other videos. Until next time, happy editing.